How to turn off vibration on iPhone. To turn off vibration on your iPhone, first of all go ahead and open Settings on your phone. Here you will be able to access all the primary settings of your phone. Then you need to scroll down a little bit and find the accessibility option. Tap on it once you find it. Here you will be able to personalize your iPhone in ways that works best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech and cognition. From here, you need to scroll down to the touch option, tap on it. Now scroll down a little. Then, toggle off the vibration option from here. Once you've turned this feature off, all vibrations on your iPhone will be disabled, including those for natural disasters and other emergency alerts. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn off vibration on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.